Intelligence versus intellect. Intelligence and intellect are sometimes considered synonyms. However, they differ significantly. To understand their difference, let's first look at the underlying concepts. We all have a certain information processing capacity, including the capacity to analyze abstract concepts through reasoning. And we all have a certain decision-making capacity, including the capacity to consider, to learn and apply various skills and values. Information capacity, processing capacity and decision-making capacity are not identical. For example, some people, consider drinking, consider smoking. Some people may be able to memorize, analyze and verbalize many facts about the harmful consequences of smoking. Yet, they may struggle to give up smoking. In contrast, others may not remember even a single medical fact about the harms of smoking. Yet they may desist from smoking without much struggle. Pertinently, the Bhagavad Gita states that good intelligence is characterized by the capacity for sound decision making. In 18.30 it is stated, pravrittim cha nivrittim cha karya karye bhaya bhaye bandham moksham cha yavetti buddhi sa partha satviki. So based on this statement of the Gita, we can equate intelligence with decision making ability, and then information processing ability can be equated with intellect. Clearly, intelligence is more essential and consequential than intellect. Even if we can't process a lot of information, if we can make sound decisions, we will be well situated in life. Thankfully, intelligence is also more transformable among the two. Based on our past karma, we all are born with a certain level of intelligence. This level is measured through parameters such as IQ, intelligence quotient. Yes, strangely, IQ measures intellect, not intelligence. And that's why, because intelligence is multifaceted, we need to consider other forms of intelligence also, such as emotional intelligence, which is measured by EQ. So, not all of us can become phenomenal information processors. By practice, we can improve our IQ to some degree, but not dramatically. Thankfully, we all can improve our intelligence. How? By studying wisdom texts such as the Bhagavad Gita, and thereby understanding the purpose of living and the principles for living. The more we become purpose driven and principle centered, the more we can resist distractions and take sound decisions. Thus the Gita stands ready to increase our intelligence irrespective of the level of our intellect.